The ProGage thickness tester is a precision micrometer. This tabletop design allows for quick and accurate evaluation of thickness with 4 models available, depending on your testing needs. Evaluate sheeted materials like plastic films, paper, nonwovens, and tissue. The keypad controls make it easy to modify settings with buttons to review statistics, reports, select modes, change units, review tests, and clear results. There is also a simple one-touch zero and a test button to begin your tests. With the press of a button, you can select continuous or single test mode or switch the units of measure including mils, microns, millimeters, and inches. The system stores up to 99 tests and displays statistics on the screen including average, high, low, and standard deviation. To run a test, place your material, select your settings, and press test. The ProGage uses an anvil design with a deadweight system that includes interchangeable pressure feet and augmenting weights. Common setups include TAPI T411 for paper, ASTM 6988 for films, and ISO 12625 for tissue. You can also customize the speed and dwell time to meet new testing applications. For continuous testing, we offer an optional sample feeder that can accommodate sheeted samples. You select the distance and number of tests to run.